If Capcut is showing a server error, don't worry. In many cases this is caused by ISP issues, regional throttling, blocked permissions, or corrupted cache data. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help restore Capcut's connection and get it working normally again. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to change your DNS settings. This can help bridge your connection more directly to verified servers, and often resolve server-related issues caused by network filtering. To do this on Windows, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. From there, choose Wi-Fi if you're on wireless, or Ethernet if you're using a cable connection. Next, click Hardware Properties. Now look for DNS Server Assignment and click Edit. When the settings window opens, change the option to Manual. Then turn IPv4 on. Once that's enabled, enter Cloudflare's verified DNS addresses. For the preferred DNS, type 1.1.1.1. For the alternate DNS, type 1.0.0.1. After that, click Save to apply the changes. The next step is to whitelist Capcut in Windows Firewall. Sometimes, Windows security can mistakenly block an app's traffic, which can trigger server connection errors inside Capcut. To fix this, press the Windows key and the letter S. Then type Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Open that result, and when the window appears, click Change Settings. You may need administrator permission for this step, so approve it if prompted. After that, scroll through the list until you find Capcut. Once you locate it, make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This tells Windows Firewall to allow Capcut to communicate on both trusted and public network types. When that's done, click OK to confirm your changes. Now for the final step. A clean reset of Capcut's cache. Cached error logs can sometimes stay stuck in memory and keep the app from connecting properly, even after you fix the network settings. Open Capcut again, but make sure you're on the Start page before opening any project. In the top right corner, click the Settings icon, which looks like a hexagon. Inside Settings, go to the Cache tab. Here you should see the cache size area. Click the Delete icon next to it, usually shown as a trash can. This removes the stored cache files that may be causing the issue. Once the cache is cleared, fully restart the application. Don't just minimize it, close Capcut completely and open it again so the changes take effect. After restarting, check whether the server error is gone. In most cases, these 3 steps can make a huge difference: updating DNS, allowing Capcut through the firewall, and clearing the cache. If the app was being blocked by your network, security settings, or old cache data, this process should help restore normal performance. If this video helped you fix the Capcut server error, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and lets me know to keep making more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.